Today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to make restaurant-style egg fried rice. It's a really tasty recipe, so please do try to make it this way and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. My channel, all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed in the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. First, we are going to scramble the eggs. For that, we need 1.5 tablespoons of oil, 6 eggs, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and some salt. First, I'm adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the eggs. The oil is now hot, so go ahead and crack all the eggs. So all the 6 eggs, so go ahead and crack all of them. So I've cracked all the 6 eggs here. Now we will mix all of this well together and then also add the black pepper powder and some salt as per taste. And now we will mix all of this and fry this till the eggs become completely cooked. Now we will start making our fried rice. For that, we need 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 inch of finely chopped ginger, 4 garlic cloves finely chopped, 1 medium onion sliced, comes to about 150 grams, all our veggies, 1 cup of peas, 2 medium-sized carrots, about 140 grams or 1.5 cups, 1 medium-sized bell pepper or capsicum sliced, comes to about 140 grams or 1 cup, 3 teaspoons of soy sauce and some salt as per taste. In the same pan, I'm adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the ginger and the garlic. Oil is now hot, so we will add the finely chopped ginger and also add the garlic. And we will fry this for about 1 minute at a medium-low flame. Now I will add the sliced onion and we will fry the onions at a medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes or till the onions become soft and translucent. The onions are now soft and translucent, so now we will add our veggies, the peas, sliced carrots, the sliced capsicum or bell peppers, and now we will saute the veggies for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now we will add some salt as per taste and also add the soy sauce and mix all of this well together and saute for another minute. We will now cover this with a lid and let this cook till all our veggies are completely done. Next, we are going to add cooked basmati rice. This is 650 to 700 grams of cooked rice that I have made from 1.5 cups of basmati rice, scrambled eggs and a bunch of spring onions. Our veggies are now completely cooked, so now we will add the cooked basmati rice. Go ahead and add all of that. Also, we will add our scrambled eggs and the spring onions and mix this really well together, and we will cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Also taste for salt and make sure you adjust if you feel like more salt is needed. Our restaurant style egg fried rice is now completely ready to serve. It's a really quick and easy recipe, so please do try to make it this way and let me know how it turns out for you. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.